Hi, many people ask me how to start learning Snowflake. If you are wondering where to look for knowledge and how to start your adventure with Snowflake and test it yourself, I have prepared this video especially for you. Enjoy it! If you don't know what Snowflake is, but you'd like to get to know the platform, learn about its architecture and key concepts, I strongly recommend watching a few short videos from the series Getting Started Videos on the official Snowflake website. All links are available in the description of this video. If you are a practitioner like me, and you already know the basic assumptions of the architecture and the very concept of Snowflake, or for example, you've been to one of my sessions about the basics of the platform, or you've seen films that I recommended previously, then you may be interested in the free trial version of Snowflake. Note that to get free Snowflake account for 30 days for a total amount of $400, you don't need to have an account with any cloud provider. You don't need to have a credit card. You don't need to pay in advance or buy some credits. Only what you need is an email address. To get a free trial account in Snowflake, go to the website signup.snowflake.com and fill in the short form. After a few moments, you will get an access to your own Snowflake account with sample data that let you start your adventure immediately. If you already have a Snowflake account and you want to use it for training, I recommend a special workshop prepared by Snowflake partners named From Zero to Snowflake. You can find it at Virtual Hands-On Lab. If you are lucky, you can sign up for such an online workshop or watch the recording as in this case. With the workshop, you'll learn the basics of the platform in about 90 minutes. If you've got quite keen on and want more, I strongly recommend doing the course Hands-on Essential at Snowflake Essential Training. After quick registration on the Snowflake University portal, you have free access to extensive training with knowledge tests. At the end, you have the opportunity to get the Snowflake Essentials badge. The course is also an excellent resource to start your Snowflake certification. I'll tell you how to prepare for certification in another video. If you need more theoretical knowledge, documentation is the other resource. Very well written, extensive documentation with many examples. And last but not least, Snowflake Community, whereabouts you can join many news groups, read blogs, ask questions, or participate in discussions. If you like this movie, then you know what to do. Have a nice Snowflake adventure and see you soon!